Hey everyone, Hunter from Theme Park Hunting here, and I am right by the surf coaster pipeline here at SeaWorld Orlando. So yeah, this is my first time covering it. I figured we'd take a closer look at it. I mean, finally, I literally have been riding Guardians so much that I haven't had any time to stop by and check this thing out. So I figured today's the day. It's cold, it's cloudy, it doesn't look great, but we have a lot to check out because clearly the first three elements are done and they are something. So let's take a closer look, go into the park. Yeah, we're literally right in the parking lot right now. So the entrance is like there. I already love the look of this thing. So yeah, let's go check it out. Alright, so those were all views from the parking lots. Now we're walking in to the main entrance area before we enter the park to get some views. This is probably the closest you can really get to Pipeline as of now. So yeah, and the views already, they're pretty cool. Let's take a look at them. Here we really get a look at the airtime hill Pipeline will go on, and as you can see, we are really close to this, like really close, and I'm filming on wide mode. If we zoom in a bit, this is really how close we are, and you can tell this thing is right here, and this turnaround is right here, and this is, everything's just right here, and it looks amazing. That's one thing I'm really gonna say with this ride that I'm really looking forward to, is it's gonna be that front entrance. Right, I mean, look, it just, like, I can already tell it's gonna be a photo op. It fits perfectly around my head. And, I mean, you got everything. Like, look, you got this huge turn right here. Like, the support's right there. Airtime hill is right here. You're gonna see the train launch and go up into this. And it's gonna come back down and swoop around. It's gonna look sick. And this is just perfect for the park. Like, it really is perfect for the park. So, oh my gosh, I'm already in love with this thing. And it's only the first three elements are done. This is great. One thing I'll say too that I find funny is that area section right there where it looks like that's where netting's gonna be. I can't tell if it could also be maybe some kind of sign, some kind of directional thing, because the weird piece is the triangle right there. That's what's throwing me off. So I don't know, like, I want to say it's netting, but it'd be weird if it's only in that one section, and at the same time, you know, like Mako and stuff doesn't, or Mako does have netting. I'm stupid. Icebreaker, I don't know. I forgot this park, but still, it'd be weird to me if that is the only section that has netting. So if that's a sign, this will be really, really cool. That's just something I noticed. I thought it was weird. But oh my gosh, look at that twist. The twist looks so clean and oh, it looks so good. All right, we're now in the park. It's starting to rain a little bit, but we can see the backside now of Pipeline, and yeah, this thing is looking good. All right, we made it to the bridge over at SeaWorld. And yeah, this is gonna be one of the best views you can get of Pipeline. Look at this thing. Oh, it looks so good. So something interesting are the LSMs as seen there at the bottom of the corkscrew. I don't know if this is a trim, that's most likely what it'll be, or if it's kind of like a mini second launch to boost the train. My guess is a trim, because if I'm correct, the next element, it's supposed to go up, kind of stangle dive to the right with a hard right twist, and then kind of helix around itself. If I'm correct, that's the next element. So yeah, I don't entirely know. I'm intrigued to see what honestly they do next, because looking at it, we see this building over there is really close to the track. So I'm trying to figure out when they're gonna either tear that down or somehow fit it all there. I don't know. Guess we're gonna have to see. But yeah, it's interesting to see those LSMs there. I don't really know what to expect from it. All right, so that's gonna do it for this pipeline construction update. Trust me, we will be back much more often to cover that thing, as it's really starting to take shape, and I'm really impressed with how it's looking. Super excited for this ride. So I'm gonna end it with a couple personal rides on Icebreaker, get a couple more on. Haven't done it in a while, so figured why not get a ride. So let's go on, and yeah, I'll see you guys all in the next construction update here at Pipeline. Don't forget to follow the thrill. See you guys.